Hello Anna, I welcome you on behalf of Speak Bindas and on behalf of Devang Vibhagar and on behalf of all our viewers also. Anna is also hosted by AFS India and she is in Baroda with her family since 4 months now and she will be leaving India after 6 months. She is also under the AFS Intercultural Exchange Program. Right Anna? And I believe that Anna has picked up some of the Gujarati language and Hindi language skills. So I would request her to introduce herself as much as she can. Okay, fine.
મારું નામ અના છે. હું ફ્રાન્સથી આવી છું.
That's good. So Anna is from Paris and she is a student of standard 11. Okay. So in India. So this is the first I believe this is the first visit in India.
Yes.
And straight away you are in Gujarat, Baroda since you are in India.
Yes.
Okay. So how do you find Gujarati people?
Very, very nice. I'm just, everyone is very nice with me, very curious and just, very nice.
You
That's
feel the
all.
warmth? You feel the warmth?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Completely.
So do you feel homesick? Were you feeling homesick when you landed?
No. Actually, I just felt one time homesick.
Yeah.
It was 2 years back when my sister called me to say that I would be messy. So that's the only thing.
That's
I
all?
don't feel homesick. You know.
Okay. Can you tell us something about your AFS experience and how did you choose India to be your host country?
Actually, before long time I want to live 1 year abroad. I had to choose 3 countries. India was my first choice. And I chose India first because it was really, really, really different. And little bit because it was speaking English also. I didn't want a country like US or Australia because it looks like French. And it's more interesting to change radically. That's how I chose India. And because I heard a lot of beautiful things about it, it's like, from France it's like quite mysterious and hard country, but
I hope it's not only snake charmers country and country with lots of elephants and things like that.
Mostly people told that it's a friendly country.
Yeah.
It's not easy to adjust and it's quite, sometimes it can be hard. Even for, sometimes you see poverty in the street, it's different than in France. So it can be shock sometimes, but I don't feel that much. And I heard from India friendly people and the colors everywhere. And it's quite impossible to describe India, I think. It's
But
very hard.
you have seen only Baroda. That is only 1% of India. And,
I went to 1 week to Delhi and Amritsar.
Okay.
And Ahmedabad.
Okay. So how did you like Amritsar?
Very nice. Golden Temple, it's just magic.
Yeah. And Delhi?
And Delhi, it's nice also. Yeah.
Okay.
The weather was very good.
So your impressions that you are carrying before arriving in India and then after your 4 month stay, so do you see any contradictions or do you feel that it's
Between what we
your impressions before coming to India and after coming to India, are they the same?
I don't really remember what I was thinking about India before
you have
coming.
already forgotten your country.
But I would say it was easier to adjust than what I was thinking. It was easier and just, I don't know really, I don't remember exactly what I was thinking.
That's fine. Tell us something about your host family.
They're very nice. From the first time they helped me a lot, I can just say thank you.
Okay.
And I have one sister, my sister Pampi. She went 1 year in USA also last year. So she can easily understand what I feel and everything. And they already hosted 2 times, one US girl and one German girl.
Okay. So how do you find Indian food?
Very good. very spicy sometimes. But
Yeah.
now I'm becoming too used to spicy. Yesterday I ate my first green chili.
Wow. So were you all red in face after having a green chili?
Yeah.
Did you find anything peculiar or amusing in Indian culture?
Amusing. Nothing.
Shocking?
Shocking, yes,
No.
of course.
Can you describe and share with our viewers?
Shocking. Like the place of the region in India.
Sorry, can you repeat?
Place of the region
Region? Yeah.
in India
Yeah.
is so big
Mm-hmm.
compared to France, and
Mm-hmm.
I mean, I was always in. I never received any religious education in France.
So Anna, how have you benefited from your visit to India? What would you carry along with you when you go back to your own country from India?
A lot of things.
Yeah.
I have still 6 months, so
Yeah.
I am ready. But personally, I think the first more open-minded and a new culture is a lot of. And
Yeah.
even Indian culture is so huge and everything. And more self-confident, probably.
Yeah.
More, I don't know. And after, yeah, all the Indian culture and everything what I learned, and a new family and new friends and new everything.
Yeah. And is the teaching different from the French school and Indian school? Now that you
Yeah.
have enrolled in Indian
The
school?
atmosphere in
Yeah.
Indian schools
Mhm.
are very different, much more brotherhood than in France. And because the students, it's why I feel, because maybe it's different for all the students, but it's how I feel. And the way of in India, you're really close to the teachers.
Mhm.
In France, they're very far. And it's like,
Mhm.
yeah.
It's formal relation between student and teacher in
Oh
France?
yeah.
Oh.
Depends. Very few. I had a teacher who I was close, but just one in all my life. So
Oh.
yeah, it
Uh-huh.
was like for that it's very
So
different.
here the bondage is greater
Yeah.
between student and
Yeah,
teacher.
within 4 months I'm more close to my teacher than I ever been in France. So. And so the way of teaching is different also. It's, I don't know, in India the way of teaching is a lot of like book and study and
Yeah.
by heart.
Yeah.
In France I more asked to at the end, not at the beginning but at the end.
Okay.
I was in 12 in France. So I came back in 11 but I was in 12.
Yeah.
And it's more they ask you to think by yourself and write
Yeah,
it by
yeah.
yourself. So that's for that it's different, but the atmosphere in school is different in that for me. It's, yeah.
Uh-huh. But do you find the studies tougher over here?
Not that
Is
much.
it more difficult than back in your own country? Or was it difficult in your own country? The studies,
That's
the
why- is
syllabus?
my last in the system, the scholar system in France is quite different. There is no exam every year. There is only one exam in 12th standard
Okay.
at the end. We call that baccalaureate. And so for the 12, it's quite hard because yeah, you have this only for this
Only
first
one exam, yeah,
One exam.
during the whole school life.
So for the 12th standard it was quite hard, but so I found it easier in India. And
It's
maybe
easier,
also easier
okay.
in India. Maybe also because I have no need to prove anything, and it's okay if I don't have very good mark. I just try to do what I can, but
Yeah.
so I found it quite more easier.
Okay. Any message that you would like to impart to Indian youth?
To Indian what?
Indian youth,
Yeah.
youngsters,
Yeah.
other students like you, what would you want to convey to them? In India, Indian students. Say your classmate. What's the name of your school in Baroda?
Anand Vidyavihar.
Anand Vidya Vihar. Okay. Do you have any message to give to the classmates of your own school or any other schools in India?
First, you can be proud of your country.
Wow, that's great. So Anna, will you share with us any anecdotal experience?
Yeah, I think my best memories for the moment. It was like Navratri. And I did Garba during 8 nights. And one night totally stranger came and said me thank you for being interesting to culture and Indian culture. I was like, wow, it could never happen in France, and no, I don't think so.
Nobody would contact you in such an informal way in France or for that matter.
They will, but not for thank you to be interesting in the culture. The culture, so.
Great
And,
to know. Yeah. So you enjoyed Navratri also thoroughly.
Yeah, and I'm still here, but I would like to come back next year.
For the same
Possibly.
festival. Maybe you will teach us steps or two over there back in your own country in Paris to your
Yeah,
friends.
I tell about Navratri to my friends, family. Say, oh, you have to bring back dresses and you have to teach us some dance and you have to learn how to cook, because Indian cook is very famous and very appreciated in France. So,
yeah. Okay. Thanks, Anna, for having you on board for Speak Bindas. On behalf of Devang Vibhakar and on behalf of all our viewers, I thank you and have a happy stay throughout.
Thank you.
Thank you.
I will, for sure.